video, we're going to solve anti-diagonal traversal of a matrix. So in input, we'll be given a matrix and we have to return its traversal in an anti-diagonal manner. Now, what is anti-diagonal? So we all know what is diagonal. Okay. So we have to traverse from leftmost, top leftmost to bottom rightmost. Okay. From 1 to 4, that will be our traversal. But first of all, what is anti-diagonal? So for any element I comma j in a matrix, its anti-diagonal element will be I plus 1 j minus 1 and I minus 1 j plus 1. Okay, so you can see it is a zigzag kind of traversal. You are going 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's like Z forming. Okay, then in this array, in this matrix, again you won't form a Z, but you form multiple Z's. Like you will go to 3, 2, 4, then 3, 5, 7. Okay, then again 1, 8, 9. Then this kind of pattern. Okay, these are the anti-diagonals: 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 1, 8, 9. Okay, so it means all the diagonals which can be formed, I mean not exact diagonals which we have two diagonals, but all the cross patterns which we can form, like 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 1, 8, 9, and in this example 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this way, so you can solve this question using dictionary, using DFS, okay, using Q even. But in this video I'll be solving this question in a very simple way. Okay, first of all I stored the length of the matrix, and then I will create a empty list result to print out the result. Okay, print out the traversal result. Now I will be using for loop for I in range 2 cross n minus 1. Now why 2 into n minus 1? Because you all know total number of elements in a matrix of size n will be 2 into n minus 1. For example, if if, if the n is 2, the size is 2, total elements will be how much? 4, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have to start from 0 and go to 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 will be 2 into 2 minus 1, 3. Cool. Now we'll be traversing j for I in range. Now it will start from 0, go up to I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because it needs to traverse up to ith element. That is why I have used I plus 1, since it won't be using I plus 1. Now the most important thing is I'll be storing I minus j difference, and this is the only thing which you need to do. Now what we do? We'll check if j is less than n, and apart from that, x again which we calculated is less than n. If both of them are less than n, I mean we are not going out of the bounds, not out of the limits of the matrix indices. If that's the case, then append matrix j comma x. Now this x will be yield as anti-diagonal elements. That is it. We just return the result matrix and it will do our job. Let me submit it for you. Yes, it does a job in pretty less time. Pretty less time. Okay. So I hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.